भक्तामर प्रणतमौलिमणि प्रभाणा मुद्योतकन्दलितपापतमोवितानम् सम्यक् प्रणम्य जिनपादयुगं युगादा वालम्बनं भवजले पततां जनानाम्. Jai Jinendra. My name is Priti Mehta. I stay in Vileparle, Mumbai. I would like to thank Dr. Pradeep ji and Prriya ji for the wonderful Reiki session which was incorporated with Bhaktamar and numerical healing, which made the sessions interesting and life-changing. The knowledge that you shared for the usage of crystals was very informative and amazing. Being from a jeweler's family, I always thought crystals to be used as a piece of jewelry. After attending the Bhaktamar session and understanding the meaning, I was able to convince my mother-in-law, my husband and both my kids to chant Bhaktamar in Brahma Muhurat. The Reiki sessions have helped me a lot in changing my life. I have started looking things in a very positive manner. I have developed a sense of gratitude towards all. I am blessed and grateful to have you both as my guru and showing me the path of transforming life and knowledge. Knowingly or unknowingly, if I have hurted you both by my action, words or deeds, I ask for your forgiveness. Michhami Dukadam. Jai Jinendra.